Hello, I'm Serena. Every day we move forward without truly taking a moment for ourselves. Yet sometimes, just a few minutes are enough to rediscover calm, confidence, and the energy we need. With Hypnaea, let yourself be guided through hypnosis sessions designed to help you calm your mind, strengthen your confidence, and reconnect with a deeper sense of inner balance. Every session gently guides you step by step with an immersive experience designed to fit your own pace. Discover Hypnaea, your guided hypnosis companion, available in French, English, and Spanish. Start today with your free discovery session. Explore a collection of guided sessions designed to support your well-being, strengthen your confidence, and encourage your personal growth. Hypnea is now available on the App Store and Google Play. Take a few minutes for yourself. Your well-being begins today.